Welcome. If you've ever needed to update your phone number on your Facebook page, but weren't sure how to do it using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the newest step-by-step process so you can make this change quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu where you can access your pages. Next, select the page where you want to update your phone number. Once you're on your page, look for the About section. This is usually found in the menu on the left side or just below your page's cover photo, depending on the latest Facebook layout. Click on About to open your page's details. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Contact and Basic Info. Here, you'll see your phone number listed. Right next to your phone number, there's a small icon that looks like 3 dots or a More icon. Click on this icon to see additional options. From the menu that appears, choose Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your phone number. Simply delete the old number and type in your new one. Double-check to make sure you've entered the correct number. This is important for keeping your page's contact information up to date. Once you're satisfied with your changes, look for the Save button and click it. That's it. Your new phone number is now updated on your Facebook page. Updating your contact information helps your followers and customers reach you easily, so it's always a good idea to keep it current. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.